If you break any one of the three categories of Tawheed, it is called as shirk. It is the biggest sin in Islam. Associating partners with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the biggest sin in Islam. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 48, that Allah forgiveth not anyone associating partners with him. Anything else, if he pleases, he will forgive. For anyone who has associated partners with God, with Allah, it is the most heinous sin. Allah repeats the message in Surah Nisa, chapter 4, verse number 116, that Allah forgiveth not anyone joining gods with Allah. Anything else, if he pleases, he may forgive. But anyone who has joined God with Allah, he has strayed far away. So shirk is the biggest sin in Islam. And Imam al-Dhahabi in his book Al-Kabair, even he mentions shirk as the biggest kabair, biggest sin in Islam.